Hello my technical friends, this is TestOut Linux Pro and this is lab 7.3.6 and we are going to add a user to additional groups. So the VP of Sales has promoted Salman Chola to Regional Sales Director. Now Salman needs the right and permission assigned to the Management 2 and HR groups. You are logged on as root. Complete this lab from the terminal. In this lab, your task is to identify all the groups that the Chola user belongs to, answer question 1 and 2, add Management 2 and HR as secondary groups of the Chola user, but make sure that the user is still member of all current groups. View the /etc/group file to verify the changes. Alright, so that is all we need to do in this lab. Let's go ahead and start lab. So we'll just wait for the lab to load. In the meantime, if you will find this video to be helpful at the end of the video, you might also want to consider joining my professional membership, where you have detailed one-on-one video guide on how to solve any of the test out lab. Alright, so we'll go ahead and open terminal and type in groups space Chola and we answer the question that follows. Let's see, and this is going to be management sales Chola. I'll go ahead and let's see I guess which group is Salman's primary group. That is going to be Chola, and we type in user mode and dash AG space management 2.hr and Chola, and you press enter and you type in groups space Chola and you press enter, and we'll go ahead and score lab. If you find this video to be helpful, consider sharing in other platforms so that others can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video.